In this video, we will discuss about cotton. You might have seen bigs of oil lamp worship diya at your houses or during worship at temples. What do you use for making these bigs? The material is cotton wool we use to make them. This cotton wool is also used for filling mattresses, quilts, pillows, or cushions. In order to understand cotton fiber, take some cotton wool, pull it apart, and observe its edges. You will find small, thin strands that are made up of cotton fibers. Now we will try to know about that. Where does this cotton wool come from? It is grown in the fields. Cotton plants are usually grown at places having black soil and warm climate. When cotton matures, the balls first open and the seeds covered with cotton fibers can be seen. Have you ever seen a cotton field that is ready for picking? It looks like a field covered with snow everywhere. From these cotton balls, cotton is separated by hand. After that, fibers are then separated from the seeds by combing. This process is called ginning of cotton. Traditionally, ginning was done by hands during that time, but nowadays it is done by machines. In India, cotton growing states that are Punjab, Haryana, and Rajasthan in northern zone, Gujarat, Maharashtra, and MP in central zone, and Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka, and Tamil Nadu in southern zone. Besides, cotton is also grown in Odisha.